Okay, cards are on the table. This is a sponsored message. But I promise you, this isn't your typical, this is the greatest product ever type of thing. This is just me being real with you for a minute. So, Super Clean reached out and they sent me some of their products. And do I have a preference? You know, one cleaner over another? Not really. As long as it works, that's all I care about. Am I gonna sit here and claim that Super Clean is the best product out there? Absolutely not. However, I can tell you this. The team over at Super Clean has been very generous and very supportive of me and my channel. So what I'm trying to do for them is support them the only way I know how. So here's where I'm gonna have to ask you for a favor. If you're already in the market for a cleaning product, a degreaser, or something to cut through the grime, consider grabbing a Super Clean product. Not because it's the best product in the world, but because it works, and because supporting them supports me. Now look, I'm not gonna sit here and chug a bottle of this stuff to prove a point. I'm just saying, help me, help them, and I'll keep bringing you real car content you actually care about. Seriously though, I appreciate you guys for sticking around and watching this whole video, and I appreciate Super Clean for supporting the channel and helping me grow. I'm Taras, and this is Objective Garage, where we wrench with heart, speak the truth, and always keep it real. See you in the next one.